This is why I wanted to make sure that that these holes are a little smaller, because I didn't want these things pulling through. Potentially they could pull through there. Maybe not, maybe not. But these are going to be 1/4 inch Tapcons, so there'll be a little clearance, which is fine. We'll put those into the wall. Right now I'll just attach these to the wood, and then later, and I can drill the holes too, but when my Tapcons arrive, then I can just poke those into the holes for the thing. So, all right, and I'm going to do these with the 2 inchers, I guess. Later, I should maybe even bolt that through. Well, we'll see. Okay, so then poke these holes there, because really the only things that are doing any, I could actually put a 3rd one there too, I suppose. That's really the only thing that's doing any of the holding. This is just all for show. Okay. Actually, I can drill all of these holes here. I just drilled those to... Okay, let me do that while I'm here. What the hell? But I have to do it anyway, right? So I just got these from, it's Saturday, just after lunch, I guess. That's the boat channel. That's Saturday, of course. You hear all the noise. These are 1/4-inch stainless steel tap cons, which is just freaking great. So they were about 20 bucks for how many ever are in here. Doesn't say. Made in China. Alright. So now that we poked all the holes already, I'm just going to put these in. I laid these out on the dock because I'm going to cut blocking, which is like that over there. To put in between here in a couple places, just to hold the things, to reduce the springiness and to add a little stability to everything. Whoa! Look at that shit. It broke right off. I'm wondering if it's just that they're cheap shit, or whether the hole is just a fraction too small to let the threads through. They're cheap shit, that's the problem. Well, that's what you get for buying Chinese, I guess, right? Look at that. This is the regular Tapcon that I put in yesterday. This one wanted to break, it didn't. Alright, so that's the episode of the stainless Tapcons. I lost 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and one over here someplace, 3. Alright. The strength of water is incredible. I mean, I don't have to tell you that, but when you live it, one of the things that my neighbor was telling me, he's got friends who have docks, and they had some kind of business, and the water got underneath, and we don't have a lot of waves in here, even in the worst of weather. But he told me that the waves came up underneath the dock and lifted the whole thing and just moved it over a foot. But because of that, unless you have a crane or, you know, somebody, you have to either disassemble the whole thing and put it back in place and reassemble it, or you have to find somebody with a crane and a barge and hire them to lift the thing and reset it. So, you know, you just have to do everything you can to strap the shit down. Because when you're on the water, man, I'll tell you. Alright, I think, whoops, I just got a wet foot. Alright, I'm going to cut some blocking and install that over here. The tide is going out, which is a good thing, because then I can get the floating dock underneath. I get the blocking in, we'll be here another hour or two, and then that part of it's done. I was checking on the cost of lumber. I'm going to get regular pressure treated lumber from probably Lowe's. It comes in two grades. One is standard, which I guess has knots in it. This is pretty clear. And the other one is premium, which has fewer knots. The difference is significant. For every board like this, a board like this, 8 feet by whatever, is about, right now, today's lumber prices, because that's quite volatile, but today's lumber prices, a standard is about $6.18, and a premium is like $10 and something, so like $4 more without the knots. Now I don't know, you go and you pick them, I guess you can probably find standard $4 a piece is for that's like $300 for this dock, for $300 extra for this dock, just to go from one to the other. And then there's that one, which is the same type situation. All right, let me cut some blocking. Square. This stringer's got a little swing to it. These are just added to keep this from doing this, dragging that in a little bit. When I push down on this, it'll bring this in, and this is the set distance between the things and space them out the way they're supposed to be.